Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Enkaku and Adrenaline are installed. You need Vita shell access. Once done, launch Vita shell and connect via USB or FTP so you can move files quickly. You should already have PSB theme packages, PTF, or extracted folder versions on your computer. Transfer those now to the Vita storage. Make sure you place files where Adrenaline can read PSB data. This prepares the environment so the emulator will detect the theme without extra conversion steps. You now copy the theme into the Adrenaline PSB directory. Using Vita shell, go to ux0/pspemu/psb/theme and paste the PTF or the extracted theme folder. Name the folder uniquely if required. Once copied, confirm the files preserve their original structure, icon 0 param, SFO, and the PTF or theme subfiles. If permissions are off, fix them via Vita shell's properties. Finally, close Vita shell and launch Adrenaline so the emulator rescans and can list your new themes for selection. You finish by applying the theme inside Adrenaline. Go to Settings, then Theme Settings, and choose your installed theme. If the theme doesn't appear or apply, restart Adrenaline and try selecting it again. This forces a refresh. If problems persist, check that the theme folder path is ux0/pspemu/psb/theme, that the folder name is valid, and that required files like param, SFO, and icon 0 are present. One key troubleshooting tip: retransfer the theme using binary mode and confirm file integrity before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.